Good afternoon. My research topic is the correlation between the PERMA variables and creativity among Indian young. Defining the population, young adults. When the question is asked, who are young adults? There are no clear guidelines for determining what ages should be included in the designation of young adults. The World Health Organization (WHO) defines adolescents as individuals in the age ranging between 10 to 19, youth as 15 to 24-year age group, while young people or young adult covers the age range 10 to 24 years. The United Nations defines youth as 15 to 24 years of age. In one of the research articles, the authors listserv poll of the Society for Adolescent Health and Medicine international members, including over 10 countries, adolescent and or youth or young people designations were reported to be used interchangeably to describe individuals in the age range from 15 to 24 years, extending in some cases to 30 or 40. The National Youth Policy of India 2003 defines the youth population as those in the age group of 15 to 35 years. So, looking at the above definition, we can state that there are no clear guidelines for determining what ages should be included in the designation of young adults. Based on the above definitions, the researchers have considered people ranging between the age group of 18 to 35 years as young adults in this study. Moving on to the characteristics of young adults are youth. The life stage of youth is a very critical phase of life. In this phase, a person or an individual undergoes lots of changes, such as physical, psychological, physiological, and behavioral changes. In this stage, they have changing patterns of social interactions and relationships. As this is very critical phase of life, the researchers opine that it is very important to study this population. Moving on to the dependent variable of the study, that is creativity, the researchers have taken the definition of Peterson and Seligman 2004. Peterson and Seligman define creativity as thinking of novel and productive ways to conceptualize and to do things. Includes artistic achievement, but it is not limited to it. The essential element of creativity are originality plus adaptiveness. Here, Peterson and Seligman define adaptiveness as being useful or doing things which is useful to oneself or and as well to others. So creativity here, in nutshell, what they mean is being original and being useful. It can be to oneself or to the society. The next variable is PERMA. Seligman 2011 has introduced the PERMA model of flourishing, which constitutes of 5 domains related to psychological well-being. PERMA stands for P, positive emotions, E, engagement, R, relationship, M, meaning, A, accomplishment. The well-being model has suggested providing a framework based on positive psychology principles. See each variable in detail. P, positive emotion. Seligman's definition. Positive emotions are nothing but what we feel: pleasure, warmth, comfort, love, and the likeness. Engagement, again, it's Seligman 2011 definition. Engagement is all about flow, being in the moment, where the time stops, and loss of self consciousness during an absorbing activity. R, once again, it's Seligman's definition. Relationships refer to feeling loved, supported, and valued by others. Having positive relationship with others is an integral part of life. Feeling good, meaning the researchers has taken Viktor Frankl's definition. Frankl 1959 posited that human beings have a will to meaning, which he defined as a powerful drive to find significance and meaning in their lives. A. Accomplishment. Accomplishment is the definition given by Butler and Kern 2015. Accomplishment can be objective, marked by honors and awards received, but feeling of mastery and achievement are also important. Moving on to the need for the study, previous researchers say that there is a relationship within PERMA variables, but the relationship between PERMA variables and creativity has not been studied so far. So, there exists the gap in the literature. Hence, to build the knowledge gap, there is need for this research question. Is there relationship between PERMA variables and creativity among Indian young adults? Objectives to assess PERMA variables and creativity among Indian young adults. To study the relationship between PERMA variables and creativity among hypothesis, there is a significant relationship between positive emotion and creativity among Indian young adults. There is a significant relationship between engagement and creativity among Indian young adults. There is a significant relationship between positive emotions and creativity among Indian young adults. There is a significant relationship between meaning and creativity among Indian young adults. There is a significant relationship between achievement and creativity among Indian young adults. Research design. The research adopts correlation sampling. The convenient sampling method was adopted. The researchers collected the sample from 407 participants from Karnataka, Mumbai, Andhra Pradesh, and Kerala states of India who belong to the age group of 8. Criteria. Inclusion criteria: young adults between the age group of 18 to 35. Exclusion criteria: participants under treatment for major tools. The Kaufman Domains of Creativity Scale given by Kaufman 2012 was considered for the study. It is 11 um, considered for the study. It has 5 domains: everyday 11 items, scholarly 11 items, performance 10 items, scientific 9 items, artistic 9 items. And it is a 5-point Likert scale ranging from 1 much less creative to 5 much more creative. The tool has adequate reliability, and to assess the PERMA variables, the PERMA profiler given by Butler and Kern were used. Uh, again, this is a Likert type scale from 0 to 10 Likert scale, and the tool also has adequate reliability and validity tested. Procedure. The participants were met personally. Objective of the research was explained to them, and they were asked about their willingness to participate in the research. Phone numbers of the participants who were willing to participate were collected, and Google Forms were sent to the participants. Once the participants filled the Google form, participation. Analysis of the data. The statistical analysis of the data was done using Pearson product moment correlation. Moving on to the table. The table indicates that positive emotions are is significantly correlated with creativity. Engagement is significantly correlated with creativity. Relationship is significantly correlated with creativity. Meaning, accomplishment are also significantly correlated with creativity, and the correlation is significant at the 0.01. Conclusion. The relationship between positive emotion and creativity among Indian young adults is significant, hence accepting the hypothesis. The relationship between engagement, positive relationships, meaning and achievement are also significantly correlated with creativity, hence accepting all the hypotheses. Limitations of present study. Sample was drawn only from Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra and Kerala states. States from North India could have been included for the study. only qualitative method was used, mixed method could have been used. Implications of the study. This finding is a foundation for the further research on PERMA variable and creativity. Findings from this study can be used to determine relationships among variables of PERMA and creativity and to forecast events from current data and knowledge. As there is correlation between PERMA variables and creativity, PERMA variables can be used as independent variables to develop an intervention to enhance creativity and vice versa. Thank you.